This is the solution for the chapter 3/4 test review. I'm going to be covering questions 1 through 4 as well as 5, 6, 7, and 8 in this video. Okay? 1 through 4 asks us to determine whether the graph represents a linear or a nonlinear function. We The main idea that you want to know is that a linear function will not bend, and a linear function has an exponent of 1, which causes the line not to curve. Okay? So this is just a better description on the reason why the function is linear or not. It is because of that exponent value on the variable. Okay? Let's see how it works by going over number 1. Number 1, it's nonlinear because it bends around the origin. If you look at the origin, do you notice how it goes straight? It bends here, then it bends again. This bend is caused due to the exponent. This is nonlinear because it bends around the origin at this spot right here. Okay. Next, number 2. This is linear because it is straight. It does not bend or curve. If we look, it goes straight down here. It has a slope. The slope here looks like 1, 1. Okay, negative 1, 1. Right, and this is linear because it is straight and does not bend in any way. The slope is constant, and the slope is negative 1. Next, number 3. This is also linear because it is straight and does not bend. This equation is y equals to 2, right? It is straight horizontal. It has a slope of 0, okay? It does not bend any way. It just goes from left to right. Number 4. This is nonlinear because it bends upwards. The bend occurs right here. It's supposed to continue linearly this way, but it bends right here. Right? You see the curve? Okay? Because it bends, this becomes nonlinear. Next, 5 through 8. Same idea, but this time, right, you're going to determine whether the equation represents a linear or nonlinear function. Explain your answer. There are two criteria for it to be a linear function. One, only has two variables. The variables that we normally use in our class is x and y. The exponent on the variables is only 1. Let's look at the first one. Number 5, y equals x squared plus 13. It is nonlinear because it does not have the exponent of the variable is only 1. It does not have this. Okay? The exponent here is 2. The fact that it does not have this criteria, it becomes nonlinear. Okay. Number 6. Y equals to 7 minus 3x. This is linear because it has the variable. It has two variables, x and y. Here is x, here's y. And the exponent on these variables are 1, right? I could even show you the exponent. Exponent here is 1 and the exponent here is 1. But we really don't really write that exponent of 1. I just want you to be aware that they exist, okay? Right? So this is linear because it has only the variables of x and y, and it has the exponent it has an exponent value of 1 on the variables. Okay, remember it has to have both criteria for it to be linear. 7. 18x minus 27 equals to 26. This is very odd because you're like, where's the y? Just be aware this is nonlinear because it does not have two variables, x and y. Okay? Because it does not have two variables, it is nonlinear. Okay? 8. 2x plus 3y equals to 9xy. This is nonlinear because it does not have two variables. Okay? It does not have x and y. It has an extra term, which is the xy term. The fact that it has that extra term is the reason why it is nonlinear. Okay, so this is your solution for the chapter 3-4 test review numbers 1 through 8.